Well, as Michael just mentioned, fall is definitely in the air, and you know what that means? Oktoberfest. Howard's got a slow-cooked recipe that's perfect for the celebration, or, really honestly, anytime. We've got slow cooker short ribs and cabbage today in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
When it comes to Oktoberfest, we usually think of big steins of German beer,
music
that'll have you singing and swaying, and of course, lots of good food. As for the music and the beer, I'm sure you've got that covered. But when it comes to the food, we've got a hearty all-in-one beefed up dinner that'll knock your lederhosen socks off. We start by browning a good amount of beef short ribs in a little vegetable oil. We do this in batches so we don't overcrowd the pan. While those finish up, we add a can of crushed tomatoes to a slow cooker, along with some tomato paste, lemon juice, brown sugar, caraway seeds, and a bit of salt. After mixing this, we put the short ribs on top and add some chopped cabbage. Now all we do is cover it, set it to low, and let it cook all day till the meat is fall off the bone tender. Oh my gosh, I bet you've never tasted ribs as meaty and moist as these. And when you ladle the sweet and tangy sauce over them, along with all that cooked cabbage, get ready to start singing and swaying. To get the recipe for our slow-cooked short ribs and cabbage, simply visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen with Kelly, whose beer is almost as big as she is, where today we found a fill-you-up way for you to say,
Schmeckt.
In other words, ooh, it's so good. Sip up.
Well, you can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. All you need to do is go to KOAMNewsNow.com.